Hey guys, it's Angeldreamcrafts and it's Friday and I'm here with a kit, and I've been doing some cleaning and organizing in my craft room, and I came up with a beautiful beaded sari kit for you guys. These are all beaded saris, no silks, just all beads all the time. And there's some new sari pieces in here that you guys haven't seen before. Couple you may recognize, but that's okay because who doesn't love beaded sari pieces? So there's 15 pieces in each kit and they're nice big pieces. So we're going to start off with this one, this beautiful piece. I love this. You can take it apart, use the peach fabric, or just use the gold trim if you like, but I love this piece. So pretty. This is a new piece that you guys haven't seen before. This is all rhinestones and seed beads. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the glitter and the sparkle on this. It's really, really beautiful. And remember, sari pieces do vary from kit to kit, but they're basically all the same. This is also another new piece. And this is green velvet here and rhinestones. So beautiful, gorgeous piece here. And you can take all these trims apart and have a bunch of separate trims if you like. So there's that piece. And then this very unusual piece, which I did have in a kit a couple of weeks ago, but I have more of it, and I am able to part with some of it. It's really just unbelievably cool. These are like little pieces of this green netting in here with seed beads, and then there's these metal flowers in here tucked in between. I mean, wouldn't this be beautiful on a fairy journal? It's so cool. I love the green lace. It has sequins and seed beads all over it. I just think this is such a cool piece of fabric. Very textural and dimensional. I love that. There's one of these, and I did have these in my gypsy book kits, but everybody loved them, so I've got some more. Super cute. Each kit is going to come with a sleeve from one of the saris, and this is the sleeve that's going with this kit. So you get the whole sleeve. All the material, the under material that's with it, everything, you're getting the whole sleeve. So this one has beautiful stones on it, seed beads, pearls, super pretty. Gorgeous. So that's a huge piece. So each kit is going to get a sleeve. And then there is a beautiful big rhinestone piece. Look at this. Those are all rhinestones. All rhinestones. Absolutely amazing and gorgeous. This is another new piece. This is green velvet and rhinestones and metal seed beads. Isn't that amazing? Look at that sparkle. So cool. These are all from a sari. These are all rhinestone pieces. I love these. There's that piece. Then there's this piece with the gold and the red. And then there's a big piece. So you'll get like a small, medium, and large of those pieces. So that's the large piece. You can see it's quite big. Absolutely gorgeous. This is from a sari, and it's a large piece. And this has beading on it. You can see the beading there. Nice big piece. And some of these may be irregularly cut, but that is the nature of saris. And then there's this big piece. This was off the side of a sari. So there's all these beaded pieces here. And this beautiful fabric that you can see. And then there's little stones all throughout. Hopefully you can see that. It's quite a large piece. And then last but not least, there is two really big pieces in the kit. There is a red large piece and a blue large piece, and these are beautiful. These are absolutely gorgeous pieces. So that, the metal, this is all metal. Metal embroidery, metal beads. These are all pearls along the bottom here. And the metal goes the length of the whole piece. So there is a really big piece here to work with. Really, really large. And you can see how big that is and how pretty that is. So you get one in red. And then you get this one in blue, which is my favorite. I love this. Look how gorgeous this is. Absolutely amazing. Another big piece. All metal, goes all the way up. These are pearls, wire. It's just incredible. These are just the tiniest little beads here, all in this area here. Those are tiny, tiny little beads. But you can see up close how cool that wire stitching is. It's wire thread they use. It's really, really beautiful. And I did put snippets of this in one of my last snippet kits, but this is a big piece. So that is the kit. They are $12 each, and plus shipping, of course. And we get them out within a day or two for you guys. And shipping is not too bad on these, as you guys know, because I've had several people buy from me already. The shipping is pretty good on these. We can get them into a fairly small package. So let me know if you're interested. They're $12. Thanks, guys. Bye.